Today I want to talk about a life-altering choice, the choice to fully invest in yourself. It's like holding the keys to a treasure chest filled with your dreams. Imagine if your life was a book. You have the power to write each chapter, decide the plot twists, choose your own adventure. But here's the thing. To make that story truly epic, you need to be all in. In life, you can either be a spectator or the lead actor. Are you content sitting in the audience, or are you ready to step onto the stage of your own life and deliver the performance of a lifetime? It's about taking risks, facing fears, and embracing the unknown. Your life is a canvas, and you're the artist. Are you going to paint a masterpiece or settle for a rough sketch? I challenge you to invert yourself, turn your doubts into determination, your fears into fuel. The goosebumps you seek are hidden in the moments when you decide that you are worth the investment. So let's flip the script, rewrite the narrative, and create a story that gives you goosebumps. It's your life, your adventure. Are you ready to dive in? Life is your stage. You hold the script. Invert doubts, invest in yourself, and watch as your story becomes a captivating performance. The applause is yours.